Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M32. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with its name, and at the back, specifications like battery, camera, and display. So let's open the box. First, you can see this hidden lid. Inside the lid, we have documentation like a quick start guide, regional log guide, and warranty card, which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Here we have Samsung Galaxy M32. The phone has a notch display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. At the back, we have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. Also, you can see Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks good in this light blue color. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data, and a 2-pin wall charger with 25 watt of fast charging. At last, we have a SIM ejector tool. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M32 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.